In this Alibre Atom3D tutorial video, we're going to cover several options that you can change in the UI to make your usage of Alibre Atom3D more pleasurable for you, especially on high resolution displays. So to get started, let's just go into any workspace. In this case, we'll click the Part button. And this is our first look at the Alibre Atom3D Part workspace. Before we do anything in the workspace, we're just going to make a few quick changes. We're going to go up to the gem in the top left, and we're going to go to System Options. And this brings up the System Options dialog. And so the first thing that we're going to do is change the color scheme options. So at the very bottom, we'll click Color Scheme. And you can choose whatever is most visually appealing to you. If you like working on kind of dark areas or whatever you want, you can change that here. In our case, we're going to actually make a new color scheme because I like my background to be white, but everything else I want to stay the same. So I'm going to click New, and I'm just going to type white background, copying from the default color scheme. And now I'm in white background, and I'm going to change the color to white for background top. And when I do that, now I've got a white background. So again, this is personal preference. Work with whatever you like. The second thing that we're going to do, because we're on a high resolution display, some of these things are pretty fine. It can be maybe hard to click. So we're going to make them bigger. We're going to go back up here to System Options. And we're going to go to Design Viewing. And we're going to scroll down until we see Reference Geometry and Sketch Thickness. And for us on a high resolution display, we're going to crank this all the way up to 3. And then similarly, we're going to do something similar on the sketching area for our constraint size and for our sketch node size. So now we can access some of these things a little bit easier. They're a little bit easier on the eyes, and we are ready to get started.